Hello viewers. We're delving into the beautiful realm of marriage and discussing how to create harmony and strengthen the bond between husband and wife. Whether you're a newlywed or have been married for years, these tips will help foster a deeper connection and a happier, more fulfilling relationship. If you find this video helpful, remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more valuable content. Now, let's dive in. 1. Effective communication. The foundation of a harmonious marriage is built on effective communication. Take the time to listen to each other's thoughts and feelings without interruption. Practice active listening, empathy, and respect. Open and honest communication will help you understand each other better and resolve conflicts peacefully. 2. Prioritize quality time. Amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's crucial to prioritize quality time with your spouse. Dedicate moments to connect, whether it's through date nights, weekend getaways, or even simple activities like cooking together or taking a walk. These moments strengthen your bond and nurture the love between you. 3. Mutual respect and support. In a harmonious marriage, mutual respect and support are vital. Recognize and appreciate each other's strengths and individuality. Be each other's cheerleaders, supporting one another's dreams and goals. Show kindness and consideration in your actions and words. 4. Practice patience and forgiveness. No marriage is without its challenges, and that's where patience and forgiveness come into play. Learn to be patient with each other's flaws and imperfections. Instead of holding grudges, practice forgiveness and let go of past mistakes. Remember, we all make errors, and forgiveness fosters growth and healing. 5. Keep the romance alive. A thriving marriage requires continuous effort to keep the romance alive. Surprise each other with small gestures, express love and affection, and never underestimate the power of a heartfelt compliment. Take time to nurture your physical intimacy and explore ways to keep the spark alive. 6. Shared responsibilities. A harmonious marriage involves sharing responsibilities and working as a team. Distribute household chores and decision-making fairly, considering each other's strengths and preferences. Collaborate and support each other in creating a harmonious and balanced home environment. 7. Embrace compromise. Marriage often requires compromise. Understand that you and your partner have different viewpoints and priorities. Learn to find middle ground by compromising on certain matters. It's about finding solutions that benefit both of you, fostering a sense of harmony and understanding. 8. Keep growing together. Lastly, never stop growing as individuals or as a couple. Encourage each other's personal growth, explore new interests together, and continue learning and evolving. By continually investing in your relationship, you'll create a deeper connection and navigate life's journey hand in hand. Congratulations! You now have a roadmap to build a harmonious marriage filled with love, respect, and understanding. Remember, it takes effort from both partners, but the rewards are immeasurable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Wishing you a lifetime of joy and harmony in your marriage. Until next time, take care and keep cherishing each other. Hasta la vista.